Go on.
Okay, guys. Alright, guys. There is a few too many kids on this island, alright? I need three volunteers to break off so I can divide you equally. So I need 3 boys to join the rest of the boys outside.
You guys will come back here.
Yes. Okay, perfect. Everybody just focus here, alright?
Abdullah, watch your bro. Abdullah, you're bald. Is there anybody else? I'm taller than me. You're bald. No, I'm not. You're taller than me.
So who is going to the instructor? Who is going to the instructor?
I'm the instructor.
Who is the instructor? Instructor.
No, you're not.
No,
what? Don't worry about it. Scoot down. Guys, scoot down, Abdullah. Yusuf, scoot down.
Guys, are you ready?
Yeah.
I need everyone to be quiet. Guys, we're not starting till everyone's quiet.
Guys, stop playing.
Okay, so our first experiment is we're making slime. We're making slime that glows in the dark. So how many people have made? Yes.
My sister was stealing from me.
Okay, guys. How many of you have made slime before? Okay.
I think so. I think I have.
You think you have?
The fluffy butter.
Okay, guys. So, guys. Yeah.
Sorry, Sister Najma.
Okay, so slime is an example of something called a polymer, which is a long chain of molecules that when it looks kind of like cooked spaghetti, it's all tangly and stretchy. When we mix glue, Abdurrahman, are you listening?
Yes, I'm listening.
Okay. Glue has a polymer in it, so when we mix it with borax, it makes slime. Okay? And I have some glow-in-the-dark paint that we're going to add too. So the reason that this slime is going to glow is because of what is called phosphors. Phosphors are materials that absorb light and then release it slowly. That's why it glows in the dark. Okay? So phosphor, I think, yeah.
I will glow in the dark watch.
Cool. Okay, so we're gonna start with these cups. So you don't have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so two of you are gonna share a cup, okay? Just for this. So 1, 2, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Guys, take a cup and pass it down.
Can I put
Groups of 2. No.
Wait, do we each get our own slime?
Yes, you will.
Hey, do you like slime?
Guys. Sure.
Yeah.
Okay. You tell us
Here, take a spoon and pass it down. One of you guys gets a spoon. Just one? Yes. You only need one for right now, okay, guys? Okay, guys. Ready?
Listen.
We don't have a spoon.
It's coming around. It's okay.
My milk?
Yes.
The rock?
Okay.
Or spoon?
So start. I'm gonna pass this down. This is borax. Just please don't spill it, okay? You're gonna take your spoon and put 1 spoonful into your cup, okay? 1 spoonful. Here.
Open your mouth.
Wait until the instruction.
You can mix it. There's nothing to mix though. Just be careful. Yeah.
There's a leak on that. I put some brown milk in there. There's a leak on
Don't
that.
put anything else. It's okay. Yeah, go ahead.
Okay, guys. Guys. Okay.
Silent. Please listen.
Okay, here. Do you two want to start? You're gonna go over to the sink and fill out your cup halfway with warm water. Okay? Yeah. It doesn't have to be super hot. Just warm. Just feel it. See if it's warm. That's probably good. Okay, halfway. That's good. Okay, next group. Come on.
Go and fill the
Fill it halfway with warm water, okay?
Is this sugar?
It is not sugar. Please do not eat it.
I want to eat it.
I don't. It would not taste
Who
yummy.
has more hair, me or him? Because he's calling me Baldy the whole entire day.
Okay.
Who has more hair? Me or him?
Ida, right? Next.
Half a cup of warm water.
He has more hair.
Who has more hair, me or him?
It doesn't do anything.
You guys have the same amount of hair.
Do we mix it?
Yeah, you can mix it. Mix it.
He's calling me Baldy.
That's okay, Albert. It's
It's just
okay.
staying at the bottom though.
That's okay. Just kind of mix it up.
Next. Please go ahead.
Half a cup of warm water. Half a cup of warm water, okay?
I love making water. It reminds me of the food I make in the morning.
Okay, guys, half a cup of warm water. Got it?
You put every single thing I don't even put that. Let me put it.
You guys look at your own cups next, okay? So don't worry.
Look at you put everything.
It's okay.
Listen to the next step. Don't spill it. Be careful. Be careful.
Okay, guys, mix it carefully. Don't
Mix it
spill any.
carefully.
Try not to spill any, okay? You're gonna make a huge mess then. It's okay if you do on accident, but try not to.
Do it slowly. If you spill it, then it's gonna get sticky.
I put this in, and the spoon comes out completely dry.
Everyone mixed it?
Wait, let me try.
Done?
I'm gonna try something.
Okay, guys, now. Okay.
Did you mix it?
Okay, guys, that's enough mixing. It's good.
That's done. That's done.
Yeah.
That's done.
Put your cups in front of you. Set them aside. We're done with this now. Okay? Okay. Everyone take a cup now. Gently. Pass it down. Every person. Guys, nicely.
Look at this. Look. Then it comes out. One each.
Yes, you got one each.
Look. So much water on it.
And he's going to No, you put that right there.
Don't touch it. Don't touch it.
No, that one.
Okay. Yeah, get them. You get them.
It's fine. Just leave it. Don't play around. Guys.
Why are they blue?
Abdurrahman, I keep saying, please listen. You know the next step, what will happen. Please be quiet and listen to the instructions. Make it fun,
Yeah.
not playing and distraction.
Okay, are you guys ready for the next step?
Yep.
Yeah? Okay, so now we're going to pour the glue in. And you guys have to be very careful with this, because if you're not careful, it'll go everywhere. Okay? You're going to pour enough glue into your blue cup so it covers the bottom. Okay? Just enough so it covers the bottom. I don't want to see your cups full of glue. Got it? Okay, we can each use one. You guys can start with that one. If you need help, someone can help you.
I can put
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, as long as you're careful.
I'm always
Okay.
I need some rubber until it's like you can't see the water. I don't need to be that careful. I know. I make.
Have everyone take one candy. Is that like the mods? Like no, it's literally called Fruity Chewy Mix. It's that pink bag.
Don't do it too fast.
I can't do it. Because it's oh god, that's not. But I have the different ones. And then I'm gonna put my spoon in there. That's amazing.
Does it help me with yourself? You want to try yourself? Be careful, okay?
Wait. Do we put this water in here?
Not yet.
Oh, so we do.
You want to try yourself?
So I
Be careful.
I'm gonna make the flour.
Not too much. Not too much.
I'm gonna make the flour from the blue stuff.
A little more?
How are you going to pour it out? It's glue. Just gonna stick to the bottom.
You'll see.
That's why you poured this into it.
Yeah.
We're supposed to decide.
You're not wrong.
Numbers good? Or you?
I thought he was going to
That's probably it. Well, maybe a little bit more.
You're not wrong.
Okay. Let me shake up. Wait and listen for the next step.
Did everyone get glue?
Yeah.
Okay.
It doesn't justify I'm sliding you out.
Okay, now one at a time, we're going to go back to the sink and add a 1/4 cup of warm water. Okay?
In here?
Yes, one at a time.
Okay, go ahead, Yusuf.
Okay, we can start
Okay,
one
you
at a
can
time,
switch.
guys.
Okay.
Is this enough?
Yeah, that's good.
Oh, it's perfect.
Yep.
Next.
Can I put this spoon in here?
Yeah, that's good.
Can I put this spoon
Yeah,
in?
just
Yeah. And then you're going to mix it, okay?
slowly. Don't spill the glue, okay? Don't do it like that.
And it goes like this.
Go around.
And then we put this water. Did I need to wash my hands now?
No, that's it.
I got one just because maybe you
Go very slowly.
I mean, so much of this 1/4 cup. I don't need to. Hey, is this enough? Is this? I mixed it. Is that it?
What? Let me see. I can't see it. Tilt it down.
No, you don't mix. You don't. It's good. I don't know how I'm really good at this because like I used to cook it at Sunday school.
Okay.
You keep going around like this.
Well, just warm water. Hot water is fine.
You keep going in random
And then mix it.
Take your position.
Yep, mix it with your spoon.
Listen.
Here, if you need more, does anyone need more spoons? Here.
Is this good?
If you want more spoons, come over here and get some. Okay?
Oh my god, this one's.
Okay, guys, now we're going to add some color. I don't think
Yeah, can I see what colors are there?
blue, green, purple.
Green, blue, green, blue, green, blue.
Okay, you can pick whatever color.